Hi everyone, my name is Adila Sadr. I live in Boston, Massachusetts. Today I do testimony for my family members. My father, Sadr Ali, he's an ethnic Uyghur who was born in September 1st, 1971. He was illegally detained to concentration camp on June 2018. We haven't heard about him until May 2019. Only in May 2019, we heard that my father was sentenced to jail for 20 years. My uncle, Abdul Naib, he is 92 years old, religious scholar in Attush. He was detained to concentration camp in early 2017. My father, my uncle, all my family members, they were high educated. They all law-abiding good citizens. Today I ask Chinese government, release my father, release my family members, release all innocent Uyghur from the camps, shut down the concentration camps immediately.